My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Peugeot 208. This vehicle has done just over 19,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, navigation, and climate control. On the right, we have Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay, photos and SMS, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.